Are you looking for a small, lightweight power block which is still very powerful, also beautiful and super travel friendly? Then this Nekmit 65 watts 3-in-1 travel charger which I got from the seller to show you could be one of the best choices for sure. Absolutely amazing. We have even this flip plug here, super travel friendly. And the other very travel friendly feature is this retractable cable. Watch this thing, can be pulled out like that and then it stays like that, doesn't automatically retract, and we can secure it in a lot of different lengths, pretty much in every length which you want. You can see also even very short, and then store it back here with this magnetic holder. You can see, absolutely amazing. But of course, you do not only want to see the beauty and the mechanical function, we also want to test how powerful this is. So let's do a couple of tests now. And so let's test the plug as well. Yeah, it has a really solid hold despite the flip design. And so let's pull this out here, testing here a little bit the compatibility with some different standards like Samsung UAV or General Quick Charge and PD. And so we can see it has full compatibility with pretty much everything except from super rare VOOC and super VOOC standards, which is absolutely normal. And so we can get normal 5 volts, 9 volts, 12 volts, even up to 15 volts or yeah, even 20 volts. That's absolutely amazing, a full 20 volts here. And so like that, we should actually even be able to charge such a laptop like this Lenovo laptop here. You can see definitely is charging here. Yeah, and it's even charging really fast. I've seen more than 60 watts maximum here. Now using this bench tester to see what's really possible here. Where's the maximum? We are already at 68 watts. Do we get 70? And you can see the voltage has dropped quickly but came back right away. So it has really nice protection built in. So this test hasn't damaged the device. We can see we can increase the power again to exactly same thing. Yeah, 67, 68. And so I've made now an extreme test with maximum power for at least 20 minutes or so. You can see still around 65 watts to see the heat, and it has definitely warmed up. Here you can see maximum around 155 degrees Fahrenheit, which is of course pretty warm, but I would say doesn't feel crazy hot. I can still touch it here, absolutely no problem. Now let's also test to charge multiple devices. So I start with USB-C to C. You can see it starts from here, goes into this phone, and it's charging as we can see. Now adding a USB-A to USB-C connection here on the right side, and the phone here ended charging here in the middle from USB-C to now connected one on the left side with the retractable cable, and it's also charging. A little bit hard to see here, but definitely charging here, but not here. So we have different combinations which can use. Looks like probably not all three at the same time. I've tried already without this one here. Now this one in the center coming back after removing the connection here from USB-A. Yeah, definitely charging here. So for me it looks like we can have dual charge either from C1 to C2 or from C1 to USB-A. But as long as USB-A is connected, USB-C2 is not charging. Something like that. Maybe it's also something regarding these phones. I mean, I have tested also with some other phones and it was the same thing. So I guess this is how it is. But at least we can charge definitely two devices at the same time. Absolutely no problem. Just keep in mind, maybe with the three at the same time won't work. But overall, still very interesting charge with this retractable USB cable. even 2 additional ports and the flip plug and the small beautiful lightweight design overall can be still super helpful. Maybe not for the whole family, but for yourself or as a couple, definitely sufficient power usually. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this charger, and just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.